My dear friends, today I am again present in front of you with the topic respiratory system of human being. Okay, in previously lectures I have discussed about the circulatory system and digestive system of human being. Okay, so let's start with the new topic, that is the respiratory system. Okay, now what is respiration? First of all, before telling the definition of respiration, you can see the picture clearly here. This is the respiratory system of human being. This is normal structure, okay, in which nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, lungs, bronchi, bronchioles and alveoli or alveolus are present. Okay, so for starting the video, let's define the respiration. What is respiration? You know that respiration is this process in which oxygen reaches into the tissues to the cells, and oxidation of food takes place and given off carbon dioxide and water. You know that. So it is a physical and chemical process. It is a physical and chemical process in which oxygen conveyed to the tissue, to cells, and oxidation of food or product and carbon dioxide, water given off. This is the simple definition of respiration. Okay, physical and chemical process, combination of physical and chemical process in which oxygen conveyed to the tissue, to cells, and oxidation of food or products and CO2 and water are given off. ये आपका last product है, CO2 and water. You get? Okay. Now what types of respiration? I will discuss about the types of respiration. Okay. In types of respiration, there are two types. Okay, external respiration and internal respiration. External respiration and internal respiration. What is external respiration? External means exchange of gases between the lungs. Okay, here we can write exchange of gases between the lungs. And if we talk about the internal respiration, then what? Exchange of gases in the sense oxygen and CO2 to the tissues to cells, from tissues to cells. Okay, this is the simple definition of external respiration and internal respiration. Now we will discuss about the internal, and after internal and external we will discuss about the inspiration and expiration. What is inspiration and what is expiration? Okay, so after, what is inspiration? In inspiration, taking oxygen reaches into the lungs from atmosphere. Oxygen reaches into the lungs from atmosphere, and in expiration CO2 goes out from the lungs. Means outside. Okay. Then I will discuss about the, this is the inspiration and expiration. You know that this is your inspiration and expiration. Oxygen reaches into the lungs from the atmosphere. This is the inspiration, and in expiration CO2 goes out from the lungs. This is your expiration. Okay, anyone tell me the normal breathing rate. What is the normal breathing rate? So the normal breathing rate in a healthy human, that is about normal respiration rate या breathing rate, what is this? Is about 12 to 15 times per minute. 12 to 15 times per minute. This is your normal respiration rate. Okay, this is your normal respiration rate. Okay, after this I will discuss about the process by which respiration takes place in a normal human being. Okay, nasal cavity. This is your nasal cavity. The oxygen insert through your nasal cavity through your larynx, trachea and lungs. Okay, this is your lungs. So oxygen travels from the atmosphere to your lungs with the help of tracheal tube. Okay, this is the passage up to, this helps to pass the oxygen easily into your bronchus. This is your bronchus portion. It gets divided into two parts and enter into the lungs. Okay, you know that lungs, what is the function of lungs? Respiration, obviously. Your lungs have, this is your alveolus. Approximately 600 million alveoli are present in your both lungs. I am talking about both lungs, not single lungs. Okay, so your oxygen reaches to your what? Bronchus. With the help of bronchus, it reaches to your bronchioles. This is your bronchus is further divided. Okay, that condition is called bronchiole, or that terms is called bronchioles. Okay, bronchioles consist of your bronchioles. I am talking about bronchioles. Your bronchioles, this is your bronchus. It get divided into bronchioles. Okay, your bronchiole consists of these types of sac-like structure. This is called the alveolus. Okay, this is your sac-like structure. This is called your alveolus. ठीक है? Okay, alveolus. Okay, in alveolus gaseous exchanges, or gaseous means CO2 and oxygen takes place. You know that your alveolus is wrapped with a large number of capillaries. Your alveolus is wrapped into the large number of capillaries. You know that capillary means blood vessels. Okay, and you know that if this is your alveolus. Okay, here this is your structure of alveolus. Here you know that blood capillaries are situated. Okay, this is your blood capillaries. This is your blood capillaries. Okay, blood are flown in this. Okay, this is your blood. Okay, this is your blood flows into this process. You know that when oxygen comes into the lungs, it get mixed with your blood. That is called heme plus oxygen. Makes heme plus oxygen, that is oxyhemoglobin. This is your oxyhemoglobin. So when oxygen combined with hemoglobin, your blood color is red, and before that they are purple in color. Your blood is purple in color. Lekin after that, if when your blood mixes with oxygen, it gets red in color, and oxygen is transferred into alveolus. And after that it goes into the different types of tissues, and after that cells. And CO2 which are traveling comes into the blood vessels, means alveolus. Okay, comes into the blood vessels, and CO2 passes back by which oxygen entered. the same route. Oxygen enter into the alveolus and it reaches into your cells, and that is the route by which CO2 it gets mixed blood and it passes to the same route through your nasal cavity, and this is carbon dioxide releases from your body. Okay, so it is your respiratory system. You know that your lungs consist of a membrane that is called pleural membrane. Okay, this is pleural membrane. Pleural membrane means outer covering of your lungs. So it is the mechanism by which oxygen reaches in our blood circulation. Okay, thank you for today. I will explain the next topic the next day. Thank you very much.